Hello, good afternoon, guys. This is Nanga Smart Trader again. So today I will show you how I executed the market even today. So yeah, today is the expiry of Nifty 50 and also the Sensex for monthly, even for Bank Nifty as well. So as you can see, I will just show you on the chart itself how the market reacts, and in the later videos I will also show you how I exited the market, the hedging position which I carried over, and at the same time I will also show you the profits, the losses, the P&L as well. But anyway, so in the morning, like as you can see, the market had a gap down opening, a little bit gap down opening, but then the market corrected itself. Just give me a second. Yeah, so see, as you can see, this is the first candle in the morning, and then with the opening of like the candle, the market started to falls down. But again, I don't know how to actually like explain this much. There was not such gap up or gap down opening. It was just a flat opening, and after the first two candle reaching this R1, the market get a rejection, and then tries to pull back, and then the market was on a sideways even just for today. So just see as for today's market, the market was just ranging from this. So yeah, the movement between in Nifty, the movement was just like 100 points, and which is kind of like the reaction like the same of yesterday's chart, the market. So we never know, because the last candle which is closed already is like this particular candle has a very good volume of sellers, so we might be able to see the falls even the falls might be even continuing tomorrow. So let's see if the market falls below this, since it is the closure of this particular candle falls break this level, the market still might tries to comes to this S3 level, but we never know. The pivot will have another zone even tomorrow or after the market opens, so we'll just wait and see. But anyways, for now, I did it since today is the expiry. Like I said, I happens to trade with Hero Zero trades again, the strategy which I usually use, the adjustment theory. So yeah, as you can see, this is my P&L for today. We managed to book like somehow I think 20k, excluding this two. Let me just exclude it. So yeah, for Nifty I'll just exclude this two because this is the new position that I've placed for today. So yeah, for today's particular trade we managed to book 28,000, but I'll just show you one thing. So on my order list, just check the orders, the executed orders. I have 191 executed orders, so which is really so huge in terms of orders. But since I do trades on Hero Zero trades, I take a chance on the quantity, and so because of those reasons there are lots of orders. But and at the same time just check the tax which will be deducted. So 5.4 will be deducted. So just imagine if I faced a loss today and I have to also bear the taxes plus the losses, it will be really huge. But somehow we managed to book, and actually in the morning we were facing a loss of like at least 18,000, excluding the hedging position which I closed today. So the hedging position which I usually hold on to from last week is okay. Let me check. All right, so I can't recognize which one it is, but anyway, this one and the other one. Okay, this is the one. So these two are the trades which I make a hedging position as part of the weekly expiry. So these two, after executing, or I mean like after exiting this particular trade, I exited at somewhere around 16 rupees. So after that, after it comes down to single digit, 3-4 rupees, that's when I also trade with I also trade as Hero Zero trades. I implied the strategy again, and then I did the trading. And sometimes it's really hard for me to show how I am executing Hero Zero trades, because we have to be quick, we have to be execute the orders in a huge quantity, and we do have lots of pressure, and sometimes we face lots of losses. But luckily we managed to book again because of the adjustment theory, which I usually do. Yeah, so this is it. So if we actually deduct the 5.4 minus, or let's say 28,000 minus 54, it would be coming as roughly we will be getting only 23,000, actually 22,800 something. So somehow this is a good trade even for today, as for the expiry trades. So if I add this 22,000 plus my monthly PNL, I'll just check it for you. So for this month we managed to book a good profit. So yeah, for now it is 16k after the deduction of this 16k losses, but 16th plus 22,800, it would be coming somewhere around 40 plus. Is it 40? Oh no, 38,000. We are actually getting 38,000. So it's just a good margin, I would say, because we didn't have that much. I didn't add that much of capital. As you can see, I just have one leg. I input one leg and some few changes, so which is somewhere around 13,000, and then we increased from 13,000 to so we increased our capital from 1,13,000 to 1,46, let's say. Now if I actually exit the other two positions, then the margin will be as the total capital would be 1,46,000, and that's just a roughly amount which I'm just mentioning. So in terms of the ROI, for the capital, we managed to book good profits in this month. So let's hope that we will try to keep this consistency even next week, next month. So yeah, basically that should be all for today's video again. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys.